Hello, so this is my first park build video, and as you can see, um, I have worked very hard on it. This is my first park video, as I said, so I will get straight into the park. So this is some of the path design that I did. Again, inspired. I'm not telling who, but I've just been inspired by someone. And this should be Kronosaurus and Tylosaurus. Yeah, there's Tylosaurus right there. There's Tylosaurus and where is I put Spinosaurus on the other side. And then the where is it? I remember who I was inspired by. I was inspired by Evolution Square. Where is the Kronosaur? You know what? Where is he? Where is the Kronosaur? There it is. There's the Kronosaur. So then, this is still under development. This is going to be the Brachiosaurus enclosure. This is the T-Rex enclosure. There it is. And plop. This is an aviaries, sorry, filled with Gallimimus, and one more thing. Albertosaurus. Again, you probably know why. It's a glitch. Oh, here's the hatchery. There's all the like capturing mechanisms, as I would say. Now this is the Indominus Rex enclosure. You might remember from the last video, if you watched it, how this guy killed an Edmontosaurus, and this guy got killed by an Indoraptor of the same, yeah. And then, not only that, but there's another one. So, now just know that this is not the Indoraptor that killed the Indominus, but here's an Indoraptor. Gonna roar? Gonna do the thing? You gonna do? Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then we have a Scorpius Rex. And then two monorails actually, one going down to the Indominus enclosure, and one circling the Lagoon and Spinosaurus exhibit. Now here's a visitor center. There's multiple things. And then here, now you're gonna see this as something cool, maybe. But excuse me. Ooh, I like this. I like this. I wish I could take a picture of it. You know, I'm gonna. Hold on. Please don't get it. Okay, there we go. I'm taking a picture of this. Give me a quick second. If you hear Luca in the background, that is my sister. Please do not mind her. Oh. Glitched. Okay, here we go. Jurassic World, blah, 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 blah. Ouch. There we go. More, Lux Parasaurolophus. Now here are some, what's it called? Hello. It's a flyy dinosaur. It's the black long one, I believe. I did not say anything. Forget I said anything. It's the black long fly dinosaur. Excuse me, sir. You need to move out of the way. I am a VIP. They're migrating. Excuse me. You're blocking the path. One flipped over. There's no Velociraptor. Ah! Oh my god! Eh. I have just been yeeted by a Parasaurolophus. Oh god! Oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Ooh. I'm being yeeted around by a football. The door is broken. This is a definite design flaw. Move out of the way. I've just been attacked, assaulted even. Okay, never mind. Okay, well. Now, there should be something in here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it in here? It was. There it is! Okay, there's a Scorpius Rex. Right there. The door is still broken. I need you to move. Yeah. There is a Scorpius Rex. It's the second one of the two. So here is a overview of the entire park. I'm not sure if you'll want to recreate it, but maybe. This is in honor of Evolution Square getting 100K. Good job. But there. Oh, there's the Indoraptor that killed the Indominus. So, alright, I hope to see you guys sometime again. And remember, I'm not gonna say what Evolution Square says, but I don't know what outro I should do. I don't know. Alright, bye.